What's going down, beardos? Welcome to another of my YouTube episodes. My name is Tomas and I review beard products, and in today's video I'm reviewing Bulldog. Bulldog is UK based beard company. Let me zoom this in for you just so you guys can see the label. So this is what the label looks like. It's pretty easy going. I like it. Why not? Now, like I was saying, Bulldog is UK based company. I don't know how much it would cost to get it delivered to US because that's where I am. But they're available on Amazon, and just like Cremo that I was reviewing in past, Bulldog is available. I bought it at CVS. I'm not sure about other stores, but I think it's pretty available in the stores as well. And Bulldog is another company that it's not only focusing on making beard products, but they also have these body lines like body wash. They have some facial wash, face scrub and stuff like that. I don't know anything about those products, and this is my first time ever trying Bulldog product. So let's get into it. These 1 ounce bottle, it's $6.36 on Amazon, and I paid the same amount of money in the store. It says it contains aloe, camelina, and green tea. And the color, it's clear. It has a little yellow. It has a little color to it, but it's kind of clear. I actually smell green tea. Now, these are the ingredients: sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, sativa seed oil, camelina seed oil, soybean oil, aloe extra, and green tea leaf extract. So it is loaded with good stuff. Like I said, I kind of smell, I do smell green tea and aloe. So it's very soft. You can barely, smell anything, but it is nice. Again, color, it's kind of clear. I don't like this delivery system, although now it's coming out, but sometimes it's giving me a hard time. I don't know if you can see anything, but it's clear. And consistency, I mean, it's the thickness, it smells like green tea. It's not that thick, but it's not thin either, so I would say like medium thickness. It smells very nice, actually. Very soft and very, I would say, natural and very organic. Like when you're walking into a Chinese store that sells good Chinese store that sells good organic and natural stuff, and you smell that, the smell of that store. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but I do go to these stores sometimes and buy tea and stuff like that, so it smells good. So this is what it really reminds me, like organic and natural. That's why I said it's kind of like I smell green tea. So let me apply it. And my outcome of this oil is that basically, price-wise, I think it is good price, because it's just like there is not a lot of stuff, and whatever it's in there, it's only organic and it's good. So what I'm probably missing here is like vitamin B, vitamin E. So there are no vitamins, which is still okay, but that's why you pay $6.36. That's why it's not that expensive. And as far as like the scent is concerned, like I said, it's very easy, very nice and organic. But to me, I would basically apply this beard oil only when I don't know what else to do. Let's say I wake up and I don't know what to do. I don't know what beard oil to apply. I would probably go with Bulldog, which means can't go wrong, but at the same time you can't expect anything bigger or anything more than $6.35 for beard oil. It's what I would say. But overall, it's totally fine for the price. It is a good stuff to have at home with other beard oils that you have. If I was going to choose between 7 Potions that I've already reviewed for you and Bulldog, which is 7 Potions is another UK based company, I would definitely go with 7 Potions. Not only because of the quality, but also the scent. It's much better than Bulldog. I would actually pick any other beard products that I have available at my home over Bulldog, and mostly because of the scent and the quality as well. But again, it's good. Don't get me wrong, it is good. There's nothing wrong with this. It's just very, very simple. Like I said before, that's exactly what I would do, is when I don't know what to wear, if I didn't know what to apply, and this Bulldog beard oil was standing there right in front of me looking at me, I would probably pick it as a last choice. So, but still, it's okay. That's my opinion about Bulldog. I think it's a good thing to have at home. Why not? But at the same time, you get what you pay for, $6.36. It's one of the cheap oils that you have available. It is a good thing to have at home alongside with other good products that you have. And only because this is such an easy product, I really don't know what else to say. I'm out of words. So this is it for Bulldog. Bulldog, it's done, it's over. You guys let me know what you think about this product, if you have ever tried it or not. And if you have any products that you try and they are kind of like cheap $5, $6, $7, $8 beard oils, you let me know what those are. I actually want to give it a shot. I want to try those. And make a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel right now. And I will see you, not Bulldog anymore, but me, I will see you guys. See you soon. Cheers.